Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of February 23rd, 2024. Here are some upcoming events. We are still accepting applications for students new to PBMA. If you have an incoming kindergartner or have friends or neighbors who would like to join the PBMA family, please email me or stop by the office to get a registration packet. This Saturday and Sunday is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Please join our talented students and staff as they create beautiful chalk masterpieces on the streets of Lake Worth. February 29th at 5:30 p.m. we will have FAFSA night. Palm Beach State College representatives will be at the secondary campus to assist students with financial aid forms and college applications. Our Spring Elementary Catalog fundraiser has begun. The fundraiser runs through March 6th. Students who sell 6 or more items will be invited to the delicious chocolate fountain party. In addition, if a student sells 20 or more items, they will receive an additional prize, a motorized piggie. Next week is our Spring Elementary Scholastic Book Fair. I need parent volunteers to help with the fair. Shifts are 8 a.m. until 11 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. until 2 p.m. Please email me if you're able to help us out. Saturday, March 2nd, will be an open house for students new to PBMA. 10 a.m. for the elementary campus and 11 a.m. at the secondary campus. This is a great opportunity for incoming kindergartners to see the school and for 5th graders to tour our middle school. On March 15th, our 5th graders will visit our secondary campus to see all the great opportunities PBMA Middle School has to offer. March 16th through March 25th is spring break, and students return to school on Tuesday, March 26th. March 26th is Elementary Class Picture Day, and that is in uniform. March 29th is a spring holiday. There is no school. Unfortunately, we had to move the date for Astro Skate Night. Astro Skate Night will now be on Thursday, April 4th at 5:30 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Admission is $11 per person, includes skates, a bounce house, colored hairspray. Astro Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Kindergarten Roundup, which is an orientation for incoming kindergarten students, will be Thursday, April 18th at 5:30 p.m. Here's a word from our administration.
Greetings, Shark family, and welcome to another exciting week here at PBMA Secondary. Just wanted to give you an update that our senior class has started taking the FSA retakes, which signals the start to testing season. How can you help your student during this testing season? Very simple. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. You can share these questions with your students, which are basic comprehension questions. If they're able to answer these, they are on their way to success. We are also planning on taking the SAT here on campus and the ACT off campus as well. Our students that are dual enrolled and are doing early admissions to college have been doing an amazing job. Shout out to Joseph Hoffman and Michelangelo Torres Seller. We have not forgotten about you. Thank you for doing an amazing, amazing job. Special shout out goes to the science teachers, Miss Parr, Miss Memon, Miss Gomes, Mr. Cordoba, Miss Wentz. Thank you so very much for all your hard work that you've been doing, and our students thoroughly enjoyed the ice cream social. Math team, we cannot wait to see what you and your students are able to produce. Parents, thank you so much for bringing your students for morning tutoring and afternoon tutoring. If anyone is interested in Saturday tutoring, please send Ms. Stone a message so that we can plan accordingly. We look forward to yet another amazing week here at PBMA.
Mush! This week in the Miss Terciero Media Center, the students learned about the last great race, the Iditarod. The race starts in 10 days, and students researched and chose a musher to follow. The younger students learned about the colder climate in Alaska, We are so excited for the race to start. Let's take a look at what's happening in our STEM and Maritime class. In Maritime Science, students are participating in Shark Madness. The students learned about different shark species and voted for their favorite. Afterwards, students designed Squishmallow of their chosen species. This week in STEM, grades 3 to 5 learned about gravity, the force that pushes or pulls matter in a specific direction by building and designing their own idea for a balancing bird. Grades K to 2 explored the 4 seasons, summer, fall, winter, and spring, by building models and train tracks to show the seasons. Kindergarten and first graders had a wonderful time at Sandaway House in Delray Beach. The students participated in the biodiversity program. They learned about classification, characteristics, habitat, adaptations, and ecology. The students especially loved interacting with the animals, and they even watched a shark feeding. Our girls' soccer team had their first win for the season and a historic win for the first girls' soccer team at PBMA. The elementary campus celebrated student achievement with our second trimester award ceremony. Students were recognized for their reading, math, science, character, and bringing up their grades. And finally, here are pictures from Black History Spirit Week. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.